Let's get started. You are the proposal manager, setting up a new proposal in ProposalPoint. From the home screen, click on the Proposal Wizard. Up comes the screen to set up a new proposal. You simply enter the basic information such as proposal title, RFP number, customer name, and so forth. You can set up a proposal even if the RFP has not yet been received, for example, during the pre-RFP capture stage or during a draft RFP stage. Then enter the names of key proposal leaders who will have special security privileges to modify the proposal space and access documents. Scrolling down, we see information on proposal reviews that enables us to build a proposal schedule. Select how many reviews you want to schedule in. ProposalPoint has default reviews and a default 5-day review cycle per review. You can select these or change them here, or change them in another screen to finalize your proposal schedule. We scroll up and click on Submit, and we see our new proposal in the list of proposal workspaces. Now, let's go into a proposal workspace to see what's there. When we click on the proposal, we go into the Proposal Manager's console and see several large buttons, very simple, each with a clear function. You can create an outline, create composer files to get authors started. That's for later. For now, let's finish setting up our proposal schedule that we started a moment ago. Click on the Proposal Task List button. You see the list of proposal tasks or schedule items based on the reviews that we specified in the Proposal Wizard. You can change the durations or due dates in this view, and of course you can sort or add any information you wish. You can add a new task by clicking on the Add Task button and fill in the items on the dialog box. If you prefer using a more familiar Gantt view, a click or two gets you there. If you prefer using Microsoft Project to construct your schedule, you can, and then you just synchronize Project with this proposal task list. And if you want to export the task list into Outlook so that you or your team members see tasks right in front of you constantly, you can synchronize to Outlook. Let's return to the Proposal Manager console and add other proposal staff members to our proposal staff directory. ProposalPoint is role-based for security and access and workflow purposes. So you see the proposal roles listed, and you can add staff by role. You see Mark Lieber's name as Proposal Manager because you entered this from the Proposal Wizard already. And there's the names of the Capture Manager and Business Unit Manager, who you also added earlier. We've already added 5 authors, so now let's add another author. Click on Add Item, and let's enter the name of our new author, Justin Case. We'll select his role as author. We'll click and ProposalPoint fills in his complete information from Active Directory. So now Justin, we'll save. Justin is added to the authors, and you can see the number of authors just increased to 6 from 5. You use ProposalPoint to create your annotated outline. This is the outline of the proposal based on the RFP instructions, and in a single place you plan your response to the RFP evaluation criteria and statement of work and other relevant RFP material. Select Create Update Annotated Outline. This opens a pre-formatted Excel spreadsheet. To save time, we've already gone through an RFP and created an annotated outline in Excel. This would normally take a while. Using the Excel grid, enter the RFP proposal preparation instructions on each section or subsection of the proposal. Then enter the RFP evaluation criteria and statement of work information applicable to each of those sections or subsections. Insert the numbering system for each section number you want to use for the proposal. In the Notes section, you can provide guidance on the number and type of graphics and tables per section following a graphics-first approach. You can also guide the author on win themes, ghosting of competitors, and anything else that helps create a winning proposal section. After you check your work and obtain any necessary approvals, you are ready to go to the next step, generate the Word composer file. Let's save and exit the annotated outline and go back to the Proposal Manager's console. We now create the composer files for authors. This is simple. Just click the button Composer File, and ProposalPoint automatically creates composer files for each module from the annotated outline, which you can give straight to an author. ProposalPoint draws on native SharePoint Word automation services. This composer file uses a restricted Word template. This restricted Word template enables the author to write an entire proposal section without the burden of formatting. Notice that the composer file has the correct section numbers and titles and has space for the author to enter text. Using the ProposalPoint tab on the ribbon, the author can use the Gallery button to easily drop in frames for graphics and also can drop in pre-formatted tables. To use the gallery, just select the item you want. We'll drop in a frame for a graphic here, and it appears in the document. To drop in a table, we'll drop in a 3-column table, and then we'll add the appropriate number of rows, and there, we're ready to fill in the information in the table. Once you have your composer file, it's just a matter of the author writing the correct text, filling in the correct tables, filling in the correct graphics, and then you've got a complete section or module number. You assemble all of those by clicking on the Generate Proposal button, and there you've got within seconds an automatically generated proposal that's ready for a review. So now we'll go to the review section. ProposalPoint makes document reviews more efficient and meaningful. ProposalPoint provides an advanced technology called Highlighter for use in document review. Highlighter enables reviewers to insert comments, suggest revisions, and relate ideas and content from one place in the document to another place, or from one document to another document. The reviewer logs into SharePoint and chooses to review the document using Highlighter. The review document is from PDF format. The default view enables the reviewer to see their own comments and the owner's comments. Optional permissions enabled by the owner allow reviewers to see each other's comments. During the reviewer selects a fragment of text by drawing a box around it. A highlighter dialog box appears and the reviewer types in a comment. The reviewer tags the comment to indicate the priority of the comment, high, medium, low, and saves the comment. To suggest text revisions, the reviewer selects a fragment of text, clicks on Revision, enters a suggested revision, and saves the comment. Reviewers have the option of providing overlapping highlights with both a comment and a suggested revision on the same text fragment. Highlighter also enables comments on images and tables. Just select a fragment of text or a section of an image by drawing a box around it. Then insert a comment. If the reviewer has a different graphic, image, or tables to suggest, the reviewer can import that graphic by selecting Insert Image and clicking on a file name. When the individual review is completed, all highlights are viewable in a table format. Highlighter assembles all comments from all reviewers, and the proposal coordinator can sort the comments by section number and priority. The coordinator can use this master table to facilitate a discussion among reviewers focusing on the most important priority comments. The coordinator can also use this master table to present each section author with a list of prioritized comments for that individual section. The author then goes back and revises the proposal to reflect the review comments. Each highlighter comment includes tags such as priority and score. Tagging is also available for concepts such as best practice, important to customer, not as good as our competitor, this could delay implementation, or too costly. A standard taxonomy comes with ProposalPoint, which you can modify with your own tags. These tags enable managers to relate ideas from various points in the proposal document. The tags also enable writers to find best practices from other proposal documents in a SharePoint library, even documents written by organizations and people you don't know. If desired, the owner can open the review, granting permission for reviewers to see each other's comments. ProposalPoint's highlighter technology makes document review efficient because it's fast, no need for messy track changes or Excel spreadsheets, and because it makes high-priority items stand out for action. ProposalPoint makes reviews more meaningful because it enables the creative exchange of ideas and materials so critical to winning. ProposalPoint. Win more, work easily.